a jungle filled with stars lived a dino loud as cars. He snored so strong the moon would shake and made the sleepy critters wake.
Hey grown-ups! It means the world when you watch with your kiddos. If you're enjoying the fun, please hit subscribe so we can keep sharing stories, songs, and even our picture books. Thanks for being part of our quirky crew.
SNORE, a saurus, soft and round, made a most peculiar sound. Snore, snore, rumble, roar, leaves flew off the jungle floor. Snore, snore, up went the tree, monkeys tumbled out at 3. Frogs went ribbit, owls went woo. Nobody knew just what to do. The animals whispered, he won't stop. Let's tickle him with a leafy mop. They crept in close with wiggly toes and tickled his tail and tummy and nose. He rolled right over, gave a sigh, a softer snore like breeze on sky. The stars above began to gleam as every critter found a dream. Snore, snore, no need to run. Now his dreams are